to apply in a placement test or in any kind of test. Okay. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Wait a minute. Okay. This is the link that your classmates sent. I opened and I found some examples of the books. I'm going to open. I found two. I can open two and down now. And then you are going to start working in your okay, your placement test, okay? Your classmates sent this link and I opened it. And I found very, very, very interesting. Huh? English in Use. This is a book that was these are the author. Kate Farrell and Mariana Greenslade. Okay, it's Cambridge. Okay, so yes, Cambridge, from Cambridge University. There you can find this talk about marketing, okay? It's an ESP book, but it's also, we can take an EAP, okay? Marketing, so you can see it. This is by the University of Cambridge. Okay, it's an example. And they prepare this kind of material, a lot of material. For this, wait a minute, I have something that they wrote about this on the class, talking about how they produce this book. Okay. Before analyzing the book, we're going to say, sorry. Okay, as we already done this, the purpose. So this is from the web page where they say how they use the corpus. Oh, okay, I will try to wait a minute. Make it bigger so we can see. Okay.
Professor.
Sí.
Good evening, I'm sorry. Is there attendance for today? I couldn't mark present in the attendance. I don't think we have one.
Okay, I'm going to check right now, please. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's look for this. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, entonces. Hacemos lo siguiente, entonces que podemos abrir la. Vamos a ver si podemos verlo. Estaría muy chica mejor. No. Dios sé. Ya no leo. Very nice. PowerPoint. Poquito. Ya vamos a ver section. Ya. A ver ahí. Cambridge International Corpus. No se lee. Okay, here they are talking about how they use the corpus, how they develop corpus to create this series of books. Okay, they're gonna be on the PowerPoint, so you can replay them. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the other things. We were talking. Okay. Okay, the series called Professional English in Use. They have different, okay? For example, English for medicine, okay? They have a unit here, how the way they prepare the material, okay? Very interesting, very useful, that's in Polish, okay? And you see the topics, okay, that they develop this book, this is related with medicine. And then they start preparing their exercises, okay? Look at this, they use mind map, no? Okay. Yeah, look at this, they They use this exercise to find explanation on an expression, okay? Synonyms also, using synonyms, okay? So when you prepare material, you have to vary. No? You have to look for the better way that you can teach your students to work with the vocabulary. No? Look at this. This is a synonym exercise. No? When patients return to normal health after illnesses, they have recovered. We can also say, no? Entonces, they define synonym. Okay, an example of synonyms here you have. Okay. Then also collocation, you can say, no? Okay. So you can find some examples of how you can work with different structures, vocabulary, because you cannot put them, this is a function word, this is a content word, or define it is closed. It's a little hard for them to do that. So using examples, you have to teach them, okay? You have to say, well, we are going to teach function words, but in this exercise, and how they work, okay? Look at this. Make word combination using a word from each box. So you are teaching their collocation. Okay, it's important to teach them collocation. Okay, that's an example. You can work all the strategies that you use to learn English, so you can teach them. Okay, it's very nice. This book. You can use as an example. Okay, and you can develop different exercises. Okay? Look at this. This is a reading exercise, for example. You can, okay. A very simple one, but it's transferring information from a text to a table. Okay. Those are other techniques, reading technique. No? Okay, look at it here, an exercise for teaching vocabulary. No? Complete the sentence using ordinary English words like A or C, opposite to help you. A male patient describing angina pectoris. Okay. 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 So you can see the examples of how you can develop different exercises, not just question or some very common exercise. Okay. Look at this. This is transfer information from to a table, no? And also you are teaching the collocation or the use of vocabulary. Okay. It's very nice example. And they are not very difficult to do. Okay. So you can see, for example, for beginning levels or something like that. Okay. This is the book on the link that Jose Daniel sent. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Part of the body. Very interesting. Also, you will teach at the university. You can use this, but you have to read carefully the corp or the introduction or the authors. Okay. Okay, it's very nice exercises. Okay. I also found another book, but different subject, different field. That is also very interesting. Wait a minute. I think it must have been. Okay. Another example of marketing, another field. Okay. But this time, well, this is for advanced, upper intermediate to advanced students. But you can use examples. You can create your own examples using the ideas. You don't have to copy the same, you know, because your situation, it's not the same thing. But you can use the book as it is, you can use it. But it's a little difficult. Okay. Well, you have good students that they know they had a good level, maybe you can work with this book. But the exercises are very interesting. Okay. For example, here this exercise, make sentence using one part from each column. Look at A, B, and the opposite, no? So you can create, they can create sentence, okay? You are teaching them in that simple exercises, the different uses of languages, okay? Very interesting this also. For example, here you can find an example of how to teach them writing, describing certain results. Okay, so when these ideas, they have to develop a writing exercise. Okay. Also, at least night 2, you see the description of the graph. Look at the opposite to help you. Here you have the description, they have to complete. So these are examples. Other people use the corpus, develop, in this case, a textbook. But in your case, you're going to develop a placement test, okay, according to your reality, to the thing that you can use when you teach. Okay. But I showed you these examples so you can extra ideas, no? to develop your exercise. Okay, so you can take the ideas and you could put your reality into the exercise. Also, you can use pictures. Okay, pictures, and like this, for example. Okay, these are very nice exercises and very easy for them to do, the students. Okay. Oh, there is a big one, big. So you have to look carefully to complete the sentence. Okay. Well, these are just some examples. You can get others, maybe you can get other books, but don't copy. You know, just try to get idea and put your own words in the exercise. And after the exercise, you can say, I take idea from this book. No? So in that way, you're going to have your own exercise. You can create even your own textbooks, for your students. Especially if you teach ESP, EAP, you have to develop your own exercises, okay? Because most of the books are different in the reality, so the students find difficult to work with, okay? Very good. Excellent. Any other question? Do you have any question? No questions? Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you a PowerPoint where you can, sorry.